Yo, what's up mga kakosa? Welcome to my channel, Mr. OA, the name you can trust. Ang inyong kakosa sa araw-araw na kwento ng buhay. Kaya kung gusto mong sumilip sa tunay na buhay ng Jang Siman, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like ang mga videos at i-share. Tara na, let's share food life together mga kakosa.
Timer, hindi pa ready.
Okay, go.
Ready na po kami. Time left, 11 minutes and 9 seconds for second half.
Where's the scorer? Okay. Score! Foul.
Foul by
Losaria.
number 10.
3 fouls.
3 personal fouls for number 10. Time 10 minutes and 51 seconds for second half. Jumper ready. Pasok ang pangalawang tira. Losaria. Wave.
Wala.
Foul by number 33.
3 fouls na rin.
3 personal fouls for number 33. Score 59-52. Namangang teammate. 10 minutes and 43 seconds left. Paolo tinira for 2. Pasok ang 2 by Paolo. 61-54. 2 points ni Cheng.
This on 2 points.
Time left 10 minutes and 26 seconds. Mahaba pa.
3 points, Zamoranos.
3 points again by number 5 Zamoranos. Rebound by Mark. Oy, naiwan ng bola. Paolo. Rebound by Mark. Out of bound. 10 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 64-54. 10 ang lamang. Muntik na naman.
Ay, yun.
Chip engineer. 4. Rebound. Foul by number 5.
Official timeout muna after niya na.
Number 5 for 3
Oh,
fouls.
next shot.
Session, timeout muna.
Oh.
Yes. 3 personal foul for Mr. Rebound by Paul. Captain for 2 points. Official score for the second half. The captain. Whoop. 2 points. Bumawi si Cheng. 66-56. 10 ang lamang. Captain for wala. Chip engineer. Uy! Foul ang tawag ng ref. Foul by Captain.
Captain, nagreklamo. Warning.
Warning for technical.
Wala akong sinasabi. Pagkakataon na. Joke ulit.
Joke.
Joke.
Penalty yun, penalty.
Wala.
Oh, penalty, penalty. Both teams penalty na.
Rebound by Paulo.
Shoot lang, shoot!
2 points by number 33. 58-66 in favor with Team A. Zamoranos naghahanap ng 3 points. Pau, binalik kay Zamoranos. Pumasok for 2. 68-58. Time remaining 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Mabilis po ang laro. Bawian lang. 9 minutes and 9 minutes.
Nice one!
Mark for charging, sabi ng ref.
Warning!
Oy, warning for graduation number 5. 4 fouls. Rebound ni Zamoranos. Out of bound. Time left 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Mark, rebound by Pau. Follow up by Mark. 70-60.
Counted as foul yung charging, no?
Chief engineer.
Wala.
Foul only. Foul.
Sino foul? 3 fouls.
Foul by captain. 3 personal fouls. Score 70-60 with 8 minutes and 29 seconds left for second half. Jumper ready. Pasok ang 1.61. Intercept by Chief Engineer. Paulo! Tinira. Uy! Nakuha ni Captain. Volleyball ang labanan. Uy! Nakuha ni Minyaw. Pinasa kay Cheng. Tinira. Pumasok. Two points for Chief Engineer. 63-70. Favor with Team A. Rebound by Minyaw. Pinasa kay Cheng. Intercept. Pau. Pinasa kay Mark. Tinira. For 2.
7:44.
72-63. Time remaining 7 minutes and 44 seconds for second half. Electrician for 2 points. Naghahabol 65-72.
Meron pa sila?
Time out. Tinawag sa Team B.
Dalawa, isa ko na.
65 in favor with Team A.
Santa!
Bola na kay Mark. Oy! Muntik nang madulas. Oh, nag-aagawa ng dalawa. Chief Engineer, umikot, pumasok. Counted foul. Ba-
Foul content.
Captain foul.
Foul by Captain. Warning for graduation. For first. Paulo, pinasa kay Captain, tinira. Sumobra. Mark. Paulo. Tinira, sumobra. Uy. 2 points for Chief Engineer. 69-72.
Nice one! Nice!
Paulo.
Nice one!
Uy, wala pa rin. Humahabol ang Team B. 71-72. 1 point ang lamang.
Mark, strike, strike.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 46 seconds.
Nice one.
Minyaw. Chief Engineer. Timira. For 2. Lamang na po ang Team B.
Ganda ng laban. Favor.
Change flavor na.
Strike, Pao. Hindi mo makasag si Pao. Yan, oh. Wala, wala, din. Bawa, din. Bawa. Hawak niyo, hawak, hawak, hawak niyo.
Intense ang labanan.
Oh, shot clock, shot clock.
Shot clock.
Oh, nice one.
Hop, hop.
Yes. Advantage.
2 points pumasok. 74-73. Lamang ang team May ng 1 point pasok.
Okay, one.
Time out by Team A at Team B. Ubos na ang timeout ng Team B. Team A may 2 time. 6 minutes left. Chief Engineer dribbling the ball. Hinira, rebound by Pau. Pinasa kay Mark. Mark pumasok for 2. 76-73. 3 points po ang lamang, mga kaibigan. Pasok ang 2 points. Magandang labanan. Bola na kay Mark.
Okay na.
Time 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Chief Engineer pumasok. Change flavor again. 77-76. Lamang na po ang Team B. Robert for wala. Binalik, wala pa rin. Uy. Last touch by Chief Engineer. Lamang po ang Team B. 77-76. Time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Rebound by Minyaw. Tinasa kay Cheng. Last touch by Samoranos.
5 minutes.
Time left 5 minutes. Electrician dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Cheng. For 2. Lamang na po ng 3 points Team B. 4 minutes and 46 seconds left. Bumawi si Mark. 78-79. Lamang pa rin ang Team B with time remaining. Four minutes and 37 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. Outbound. 2 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shot clock violation. Mark. Pinasa kay Robert. Robert naghahanap ng mapasahan. Dinibol, tinira, and pumito ang referee.
Paano sila?
Foul by Minyaw! Congratulations!
Malilig ko yan.
Graduation ni Minyaw, pinalitan ni Mr. OA. Score 79-78, lamang ang Team B. Tinablahan na ngayon.
Tabla, tabla.
79 all. 4 minutes and 17 seconds left for second half. Volleyball ang labanan. Last touch by number 10. with time 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Tabla ang labanan. Change flavor na ulit. 81-79.
Gadit na. Gadit yan.
Foul by Paulo.
Warning, warning, Paulo.
Warning for graduation, Mr. Paulo.
Penalty ya, penalty.
Both teams in penalty.
4 minutes.
4 minutes left in the game. Paulo warning for graduation.
Kasa, sab daw.
Call for substitution. Captain to Paulo. Tuloy raw ang laban. Mark for wala. Volleyball ang labanan.
Wala, madilim eh. Dami na eh.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Robert for wala. Na-rebound ni Mark for 2 points. Lamang ang Team A. 83-79. 4 points ang lamang. Chief Engineer for 2.
3:30.
With 3 minutes and 30 seconds left for the second half. Magandang labanan.
Hindi, mas mahaba yun.
Mahigpit. Walang nagbibigay. Oy! Out of bounds by
Referee decision.
referee decision, sabi ng official. Time left 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Mr. OA rebound. Pinasa kay Lek. 4. Pinasa kay Mr. OA 4. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Time left 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 83-81. Lamang ng 2 points Team A. Nakuha pa rin ni Mark. Steady. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. Captain, pinasa kay Robert. Robert, whoop! Pinasa kay Mark. 5 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Captain, sumobra. Chief Engineer for 2 points. 83 all. With 2 minutes and 19 seconds left in the ball game for the championship game for this season. Robert, why, foul by number 10 with 4 personal foul, warning for graduation. Score 83 all. Time remaining 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 83 all score. Mark ang bola. Last 2 minutes. Libang by Mark. Hinaras. Oy, naagaw. 83 all ang score. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Captain, oy! Out of bound by number 10. 1 minute and 40 seconds left in the ball game.
Wala
Out of game. Bola na kay Chief Engineer. Uy. Rebound by Oy!
Foul pa rin yun.
Ha?
Jampol.
Jampol?
Jampol yung tawag niya, foul sa akin.
Ay, di jampol.
Ano? May foul yun, number 33. Jampol pa rin.
Foul by number 23 pero jump ball pa rin.
Foul.
Number 33. Warning na. Warning.
Warning
Chief
check.
Engineer with 4 personal foul.
Jump ball.
Parehong warning.
Parehong warning.
Lamang ang team A. 84-83. Time remaining.
Bola nila. Wala score.
Ano ba yun?
Bola nila.
Ano ba yung table?
Foul jampol di sa kanila bola.
Ano ba tawag ni Tres?
Jampol sa kanya, foul sa akin.
Foul. Foul lang.
Foul lang.
Penalty pa rin.
Wala nang jampol.
Sino yung official referee? Yun ang maano. Sino ba sa inyong dalawa? So, counted yun ha?
Penalty yun. Penalty.
Kante, 2 point.
Counted 1 point. 84-83. Pasok. 85-83 with the time remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds for the championship game of the season.
Oy, oy, oy.
Rebound by Robert. Captain holding the ball. Intercept. Volleyball. Last touch by number 33. Time left 1 minute and 7 seconds with a score of 85-83. Lamang ang team A. Time running. 1 minute left for the game.
Foul, RCO.
Tumawag ng foul.
58 seconds.
58 seconds left for the game. First throw. Wala. 85-83. Rebound by Chief Engineer. Last touch by number 17 with a time left 52 seconds. Matindi ng labanan ngayon.
47 seconds.
Nanggigigil.
47, 45
With the time
seconds.
remaining 43 seconds left in the ball game.
5 seconds.
Pumasok with a time 36 seconds. Rebound by Robert. Robert naghahanap ng mapasahan. Holding the ball. Robert. Time 20 seconds.
Nag-foul siya.
Foul by Arceo with the time remaining 19 seconds. Score 87-83. Lamang ng 4 points. Apat ang lamang. 19 seconds ang naiwan sa oras. Wala ang pangalawang tira. Pinasa kay Cheng. Cheng! Whoop. For 2 points
11 seconds.
with 11 seconds
11
left.
seconds, 11 seconds.
Warning, warning.
1 minute only. Score 87-85 in favor
10
with
seconds pa.
team A.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
9 seconds, 9 seconds.
9 seconds left. Substitution, Paulo to captain. Rebound by Mr.
Graduate!
5 seconds.
Hindi pa. Oh, graduate.
Graduate na si Pao, graduate.
Graduation na ni Paulo. Substitution
5
ni
seconds ha, 5 seconds.
captain. 5 seconds left. Score 87-85. Lamang ang team A.
Dalawa talaga dapat. Hindi mo na nakahilo.
Time out! Para sa team A, may isa pang time out na iiwan.
Tama score.
Wala.
Double checking the scores.
Pag maribaw nila, change ka rin ba yung shoot agad? Di na. Pwede pang finance. Lagyan mo ng flash yung video.
Yeah.
Yung video ba? Naka-on yung flash niyan? Di, maski na.
Pag-ribbon natin na natin.
Set 3 minutes for overtime. Mike dribbling the ball for 2. Counted. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Chief engineer. For 2. Mike. For 2. Mabilis mag-score ah. Christian, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Chen. Foul by Caps. 17. Dalawang 17 niya. Sino 17? Graduate captain. Penalty. Walang penalty. Ayaw talaga. Bro, inasa kay Mark. Nakuha ni Bro.
Last 2 minutes.
Foul by Arsenio. Graduation. No other player left. Calling the attention of Mr. Ebuega.
Andito.
All.
91 all ang score. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pasok ang 2 points, 93-91 in favor with Team A. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Bumawi si Pigener. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Rebound Nelek. Chief engineer for 2. 9
Thank you for watching.